In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export customer on Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to find the right tool, install it safely, and bring your customer list into Shopify with confidence. We'll use the Shopify App Store to install Firebear, a popular import and export app, and then walk through the import process. I'll also share a few practical tips so you avoid common mistakes. Start by heading to Shopify.com and signing in to your admin. Once you're in, look for the apps section in your admin sidebar. Click Add Apps to open the app options, then choose to visit the Shopify App Store. This takes you to the official marketplace, which is the safest place to find vetted apps that integrate with your store. In the App Store search bar, type Firebear. Locate the Firebear import and export app in the results, open its page, and take a moment to confirm it does what you need. Customer import and export, CSV support, mapping fields, and error logs are key features. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to run. Review and approve those, then confirm installation. Depending on your plan, you may see trial or pricing options. Choose what fits your needs. After installation, open Firebear from your apps list. Select the option to import customers. Before you upload anything, prepare your CSV file. Make sure each column is clearly labeled. Email, first name, last name, phone, addresses, tags, and marketing preferences are common fields. At minimum, you'll usually need an email or phone for each customer. Avoid including sensitive data like passwords. Shopify doesn't import raw passwords, and customers can be invited to set their own. If you're migrating from another platform, export that system's customer CSV and clean it up so it matches the format expected by the app. Upload your CSV in Firebear and use the field mapping screen to align your file's columns with Shopify's customer fields. Double-check the settings about how duplicates are handled, choose whether to update existing customers or skip them, and decide if you want to send account invite emails now or later. Start the import and watch the progress indicator. If the app flags errors, download the error report, fix the rows it highlights, and re-import just those entries. When you're done, spot check a few customer profiles in Shopify to make sure tags, addresses, and marketing status landed correctly. And if you ever need a backup or want to move data elsewhere, the same app also lets you export your customers to a CSV for safekeeping. That's it. Clean, controlled customer imports using Firebear inside Shopify.